Hi, I'm Riccardo and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to prepare a tasty breakfast or snack, the crepes, to eat with your family. First of all, you have to use some tools for crepes. Wooden spatula, crepes spreader, a spatula, a bowl, a mixer, and a crepes pan. To prepare crepes, you need these ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 spoon of sugar, 2 pinches of salt, 3 tablespoons of seed oil, vanilla extract, 1 cup of flour, and 2 cups of milk. Now we are ready for the preparation. First of all, crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Watch out! I said crack, no smash the egg. Mix well the egg and add gradually sugar, salt, vanilla extract and oil. Then add the flour and the milk. As soon as the butter is ready, we can start with the cooking. Grease the crepes pan. Pour a scoop of butter and spread it with the crepes spreader. Now the crepe is ready to serve and you can use your favorite topping. Mine is Nutella, but you can serve it with maple syrup, blueberries, whipped cream, strawberry jam or fresh fruit. Now I have a special guest, my little brother, to taste my crepe.
Yum,